Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can share Zoom meeting link in WhatsApp. So I'm using my laptop, so it's gonna be a bit different. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account and be in a meeting. Once you are in a meeting, let's say you want to invite your friend. What you need to do is all the way up, you'll be having this shield type of option, which is meeting informations. Just go over here and now you'll be having your details about the meeting. So as you want to share the link, you can just copy the link and go to your WhatsApp and then just paste your link to your friend, and that's how you do it in WhatsApp. If you want to just give the meeting ID and the passcode, you can copy it from here and just give it. So that's how you do it. That's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.